about to be pulling up right now. We are going to, this is I think their first event. We're going to a Cars and Coffee, or looks like a real fancy Cars and Coffee.
So this Apollo IE pulled up, full carbon.
All the sparkle in the paint is insane. Alright, where are we going? But yeah, like I was saying, hopefully it's decent. Don't know. Oh, I gotta turn right there now too. But like I said, supercars. Oh, I know there's a parking structure and they wanted people to pay. I really don't want to pay for parking right now. I'm on a bike. If they make me pay for parking, I'm leaving. Or parking on the sidewalk. Yeah, the sidewalk is public property, so therefore the public can use it. That's gonna be my excuse. Alright, valet only. Ooh, that's a nice SVJ. Whose bike is that? Should I park next to the bike? Ooh, Z06. I think I'm gonna just go park next to that R1. Oh, there's Nikki. I said I can't hear anything, so don't even say a word. Okay. Hi. Oh. I don't care. I was coming because it looked like it was a cool event at least.
No, it's pretty sick. It's pretty cool. Like, it goes all the way.
Yeah, that's...
Jesus Christ, this is long enough?
Oh, that's like half the size. It's 16 feet if I wanted it to be. Oh, it's peeling. See, I didn't peel bad, luckily. Huh?
Lucky?
Yeah, mine. For it being how much color's in it, I didn't peel bad at all. Alrighty, well, let's walk around. I'm walking around. Alrighty, well, we made it. Bentley, that's a cool, I like that pink. Like bubblegum pink. Ooh, they got the Cybertruck out here. Yeah, I love Bentleys. Bentleys, I think, are so cool to me. I think I'll buy a Bentley before it rolls, if I'm gonna be honest. What is that? Nah, that has to be a wrap. There's no way that's painted. Beautiful SVJ. No, that might be paint. I can't tell. We got to see one of these in person at Origin, so that was pretty sick. What else is there? Ferrari. A few other things. GT2. 3RS. What do we got here? Coffee and water. Croissant. Ooh, a Viper? Gray, is that too? So it's not a huge event. Oh, Voodoo. I'll go say what's up to him after this. But yeah, no, it looks like it's a pretty dope. I always wondered if this is real or a pit car. I've always wondered that one. Not sure, but no, there's no webcam. Maybe. Webcam. We'll go have to ask. Nikki might know. What else we got back here? Camaro. Whipple 5.0. Foreign Porsches. Yeah, I'm gonna go look at that Viper. I wonder if that's Dre. Actually, I'm gonna go look at it now. Because if it has a Pro Charger on it and a nitrous system, we know exactly whose that is. Oh. Nope, never mind, it's not. Damn it. I was hoping it was Dre. Our buddy Dre, he doesn't really film content no more, but that was a good friend of ours back when I just did the V stuff. Helped me a lot. Let's see what else. Yeah, we got like a couple detailing companies here today. But yeah, no. So, Gallardo. Well, actually, once we get over here, check the sound quality. If not, we are going to be switching and filming on our phones. That's clean. Has a lot of like carbon fiber under the engine bay. Two crazy Huracans.
So This Apollo IE pulled up, full carbon. This is probably one of the most insane cars you can physically look at and buy. Sorry for the change in look. Now we're on the phone. Got the Chiron. Ooh, too much. Is it a black series? Yeah, it is a black series. Even the Bugatti is full exposed carbon, black with blue accents. Oh, we gotta go back. Which one you taking? I'm definitely taking the Apollo. All of them are sick though.
Thought I recognized somebody. How you doing, big dog? I know when I was, you're just seeing the eyes. You probably know who the fuck's walking up to me, looking at me. How you been?
I'm just fucking working, man.
I feel that. I feel that.
Everything with you, huh? How's everything with you?
Same thing. Just fucking busy, trying to go out and film. Like I end up fucking getting somebody to do most of my editing because I just don't have the time. So I go film.
That's a good problem to have.
Yeah. I'm just with school, work, and everything, and just don't.
Yeah, well, but fuck, you look fucking slimmer too. Where is it writing or what?
No, just working out. I go to the gym almost every day except Sundays now.
Driving the bike and everything's fucking a workout too, though, no?
Yeah, it's a little bit of a workout. It's definitely more than a workout than driving a car, but yeah, no, it's a little bit. But nah, just eating healthier and working out again.
That's good, man.
Yeah. Alrighty, well, I'll be back. I'll see you around right now.
Seeing you, brother.
You too, yep. Definitely. You too, thank you. Damn, yeah, I guess it's a lot of people dipping out early today. That's cool. The new and the old one. 488 and what is it, F8? I heard all the hypercars were inside. Did not know that. Alright, let's go take a look. Oh yeah, they got like a whole inside showroom. This is dope. An Aventador. How do I got a regular Aventador when I got the SVJs outside? Ooh, we got the egg. That's crazy. SVJ, another Aventador. Oh, it's the 60th anniversary car. Oh, that's pretty.
Dad, too. Where's your dad?
That is pretty. Look at that. Look at the spark. I don't even know if this thing here. Let me take off the ND filter. I don't even know if the camera's doing this justice. It looks like all the sparkle in the paint is insane. Wow, that looks beautiful. One is that full exposed carbon with some blue accents. The yellow titanium bolts. Wild. Ferrari. MSO. This is a cool paint job. AMG GT 765.
Did you come in your bike or no? Nah, my homies up forward.
Yeah, this is, I wonder if it's gloss white with matte PPF or actually matte paint. This is ridiculous. McLaren Senna GTR. I don't know how he makes it in and out of any driveway. That shit is ridiculous. Kill switch. 5-point harness or 3-point? 5-point harness. And it has the new rally sticker. It's running on straight slicks. That's ridiculous. It literally has straight slicks on it. Crazy. Which one are you taking? Koenigsegg or McLaren Senna GTR? A little bit of everything, but a lot of detail companies. My gloves are still in there. Don't want to make sure those gloves don't disappear. So pissed. Gloves disappear. Have to fight somebody. You know what? I didn't see Nikki's car. Look, they just waiting for us out here. Waiting. Look at the helmets they wearing. Why are they wearing dirt bike helmets? What weirdos? Come on, cops. Why are you looking funny out here? Funny looking cops. Should we call GP? See if GP wants to pull up? GP lives not far from here. Where are you going, buddy, huh? Sounds good.
Bro, that's why he's not even moving.
Thank you. That is a wrap for this event. I wonder if these cops are going to try to harass me. I don't know. But they are sitting right there, so we will see. We will see if we get pulled over or not. Who knows? Hope not. Knock on wood we don't get pulled over, but we are... Whoop. Excuse me, buddy. Oh, I hope so. great for content.
I didn't bring my bike today, man.
Hey,
Good luck,
it
bro.
happens.
You're gonna be the only guy to go for it, too.
Yeah, motorcycle cops, highly likely.
Motorcyclists, bro.
Oh, they do. I don't understand why. Like, we're both on 2 wheels.
On bikes, bro. Yeah, bro. Good luck, bro.
Thank you. We'll see. Hey, get a good video if they do pull me over.
You're my prayers, bro.
We're gonna have it all on film if we do.
I got you, my prayers.
Thank you.
That's not even English. Okay, ready? On three. He's sounding like the blue grade don't play right now. Can't breathe over there. Yeah, Hold on.
She's gone now.
We'll take a little break.
Yeah, she already left. Did you miss your order?
I'll have the. I wasn't even that hungry. It's okay. On 3. 1, 2, 3. It's your turn. I didn't think you were gonna do it. I didn't do it.
Let me try.
All right, at the same time. Let's go. All right, 1, 2, 3. Hey, that was really good, bro. That was really good.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Shot.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday. I don't know who your names are.
Happy birthday to you. So this is the end of this video. We went to the Cars and Coffee. Something plug, I think. I don't know. But thanks guys for watching this video. It was a lot of fun going to a car event, being one of 2 bikes. We did see the R1 when we pulled up. We zipping up the jacket. Catch us in the next video. But don't forget to drop the like, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up button. Share this with some friends. Let's get this channel to blow up. Deuces.